Hello, Montessori parents and educators. Today, we're creating a DIY version of Montessori Metal Insets, a fantastic tool to strengthen fine motor skills and prepare little hands for writing. Montessori Metal Insets help children develop pencil control, hand strength, and coordination through tracing and drawing different shapes. These are commonly found in Montessori classrooms, but you can make your own at home. Materials needed: thin cardboard, foam board, or acrylic sheets for durability, scissors or craft knife, ruler and pencil, stencils, or print-out geometric shapes like circles, squares, triangles, ovals, rectangles, sandpaper to smooth rough edges, paint, optional for color coding. First, trace simple geometric shapes onto a sturdy material like cardboard, foam board, or thin acrylic. Carefully cut out the inner shape, leaving a frame around it. This will create the perfect inset for little hands to trace. Use sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges, especially if using wood or acrylic, to make them safe for children. In traditional Montessori insets, the center of each shape has a small handle. You can use a button, wooden peg, or anything easy to grasp. Montessori metal insets are typically blue with a pink frame. You can stick to these colors or get creative. Now, let's put our DIY insets to use. Encourage your child to trace the inside edge of the frame and experiment with different strokes and designs. This strengthens their grip and prepares them for writing. Want more DIY Montessori activities? Like and subscribe for more hands-on learning ideas.